Welcome to the weekly weather briefing for the Inland Northwest from the National Weather Service in Spokane, Washington for the week of February 13th, 2017. A series of rather mild and wet Pacific storm systems will move across the region beginning midweek and last through the weekend. With so much cold air still trapped in the valleys along the east slopes of the Cascades, the first moist storm Wednesday night will produce heavy mountain snows, but may also produce freezing rain or sleet in the Cascade valleys, as well as nearby valleys. Most of these same valleys could then turn to snow, or a freezing rain, and a snow mix. To the east, rising snow level and lots of precipitation will produce high mountain snows with rain and snowmelt at lower elevations by Thursday. This could lead to more rising streams and ice jam flooding across mainly the central and north Idaho panhandle. Very hazardous ice accumulations would make travel very treacherous in and near the east slopes of the Cascades. Don't be surprised to see a 1/4 to 1/2 inch of ice. Over a foot of new snow could fall in the mountains across the east slopes of the Cascades, with valley locations north of Lake Chelan likely getting significant snow accumulations as well as freezing rain. We're expecting rain for the lower elevation towns to the east into the Idaho panhandle as well as rising snow levels. Snow levels will rise to above past levels across northeast Washington and the Idaho panhandle by Thursday and add to the snowmelt potential. At least a 1/2 inch of rain is expected for most lower elevation towns by Friday morning. Because of the rising snow levels and lots of precipitation, it is likely streams will experience rapid rises. Ice jam flooding is once again possible. This is an image of how quickly ice jams could cause flooding. This was the St. Joe River at Calder, Idaho, late last week. And these are the potential results of rising snow levels, snowmelt, and a lot of rain. The threat of persistent precipitation will accompany slowly rising temperatures, this week close to normal overall. The 6 to 10 day outlook keeps the Inland Northwest in a slightly cooler and wetter pattern than normal. Again, this is just repeating the impacts from the first part of the briefing. Here are ways for you to stay informed this week about any upcoming weather.